Here we're battling Berkeley Trilene Big Game against Maxima Ultra Green. Let's go. Okay, as always, we're going orange, green, blue. The first round is orange, second round is green, third round is blue. One bead represents the Berkeley Trilene. Two beads will be the Maxima Ultra Green. Here we go with the top of the first round with the Berkeley represented by one bead. Okay, here you see at the top of the first round, the Berkeley 15-pound mono broke at 13.4 pounds of pull force tension. Let's go to the bottom of the first with the Maxima. Okay, here you see we're still in the first round represented by the orange fishing beads. The two fishing beads represents the Maxima Ultra Green. Let's test it and see how round one goes. Here you see the Maxima Ultra Green in round one broke at 19.2 pounds of pull force tension. So let's write that down. Round one, the bottom of the ninth, that broke at 19.2 pounds. So round one goes to Maxima Ultra Green by quite a bit. Okay, here we go with the second round represented by the green fishing bead. One fishing bead means it's the top of the round, which means it's Berkeley's turn. Give it a whirl. Top of the second here. Okay, it looks like we got a crazy battle going on here. In the top of the second, the Berkeley Trilene 15-pound mono broke at 20.3 pounds of pull force tension. What's going to happen next? Okay, we're in the bottom of the second, represented by the green fishing bead. Two fishing beads means we're testing the Maxima Ultra Green monofilament fishing line. Here we go. Bottom of the second here. Okay, in the bottom of the second, the Maxima broke at 18.9 pounds of pull force tension. Here we go in the third round with the big game, represented by the blue fishing bead. Okay, the top of the third, the Berkeley Big Game monofilament fishing line broke at 16.9 pounds of pull force tension. Let's go to the bottom of the third inning. Okay, round three represented by the blue fishing beads. Two fishing beads represents the Maxima Ultra Green. So we're on the bottom of the third. Okay, the bottom of the third, the Maxima Ultra Green broke at 15.3 pounds of full force tension. Let's move on to some abrasion testing. I'm going to lose him. He's going to wrap around the pole. There he goes. It's going to break. Look at that, baby.
Dude, it's huge.
Now we're going to compare the abrasion resistance of these two lines. I'm going to lose him. He's going to wrap around the pole. There he goes. It's going to break. The very popular Berkeley Trilene against the Maxima Ultra Green. The big game will have one fishing bead on it, and the Maxima Ultra Green will have two beads on it. We're going 3 rounds, and as always, we go orange, green, blue. Round 1, 2, and 3. Okay, here we go in the top of the first round with the Berkeley Big Game, represented by one fishing bead. Down and up is one cycle. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 cycles on the top of the first round with the Berkeley Big Game. 13. Okay, now we're coming over to the Maxima Ultra Green, represented by 2 fishing beads. The orange represents the first round. Both fishing lines are 15 pound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cycles on the Maxima Ultra Green. So that's 10 cycles on the Maxima. Okay, we're going to round 2. Okay, we're going to round 2, represented by the green fishing bead, and one fishing bead represents the Berkeley Big Game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cycles on the Berkeley in round 2. Now we're coming over to the Maxima Ultra Green. Bottom of the second round with the Maxima Ultra Green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rounds with the Maxima in round 2. Okay, we're going to the top of the third round with the Berkeley Big Game, represented by one fishing bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cycles on the Big Game. Okay, now we're going back to the bottom of the third with the Maxima, represented by 2 fishing beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9 cycles on the bottom of the third with the Maxima Ultra Green. Now let's go over the results and see if this fishing line is worth 10 times more than this fishing line. Okay, in round 1, the Berkeley broke at 13.4 pounds, and the Maxima Ultra Green broke at 19.2 pounds. So round 1, the Maxima Ultra Green has it. Round 2, the Berkeley Trilene broke at 20.3 pounds, and the Maxima broke at 18.9 pounds. So round 2, the Berkeley takes it. In round 3, the Berkeley broke at 16.9 pounds, and the Maxima Ultra Green broke at 15.3 pounds. So the big game won 2 of the 3 rounds, and the average breaking tensile strength for the Berkeley was 16.9 pounds, and the Maxima Ultra Green average breaking strength was 17.8 pounds. Now for the abrasion testing. In round 1, Berkeley Trilene Big Game 15 pound went 13 cycles. The Maxima Ultra Green went 10 cycles. So in the first round, we got Berkeley with the win. Round 2, the Berkeley Trilene went 8 cycles, and the Maxima Ultra Green went 9 cycles. So here we got the Maxima Ultra Green with the win. In round 3, the Berkeley went 8 cycles, and the Maxima Ultra Green went 9 cycles. So the Maxima gets that W there. So here with the abrasion testing, the Maxima Ultra Green won 2 of the 3 rounds. So what we're actually calling on this battle here is a split decision. So how are we going to decide who wins? Here's how we decided to call the battle with the split decision. Let's look at the pricing. The Maxima Green actually cost 15 cents more per yard than the Berkeley Trilene. So the deciding factor to give the W to Berkeley Trilene Big Game is the pricing. Other than that, it's pretty much an equal match. So why pay more for the Maxima Ultra Green when you can get the Berkeley Trilene with basically the same results? So the W goes to Berkeley.